Welcome to our exploration of stunning indoor spaces that embrace the concept of open living. Today, we'll dive into innovative ideas for transforming your home into a breathtaking sanctuary. Imagine walking into a cozy indoor garden filled with vibrant plants that not only beautify your space, but also improve air quality. Or picture a sunlit atrium where large windows frame a tranquil waterfall, creating a peaceful retreat from the outside world. We'll also look at modern open-concept living rooms, designed with minimalist decor that maximizes natural light. Think about a rustic indoor terrace, where wooden beams and hanging plants offer a warm, inviting atmosphere. In our journey, we'll discover stylish reading nooks that invite you to escape into a good book, and elegant dining areas surrounded by lush greenery, perfect for entertaining guests. Whether it's a serene yoga space, a chic home office bathed in natural light, or a playful indoor play area for kids, each idea reflects the beauty of open design. We'll highlight the importance of integrating nature into our homes, with features like herb gardens in kitchens and meditation corners adorned with calming decor.